what's the issue with photo backup? Well, for the most part, we don't do it, right? If I were going to try and save all these pictures on an external like USB drive or something, having to copy them by hand and transfer them over, first of all, I'm pretty confident I'd miss something. Even if I did manage to get them all, it would take me forever to do that. I don't even know where all the pictures are on my computer. I mean, I've got these, I've got some in downloads. I mean, you know, over here's a bunch of them sitting in downloads. I've got different folders sitting in different places. I've got videos sitting in here they're all over the place. You put your photos and your videos on your computer and you think because they're there, they're safe. But then what happens when you delete a folder and accidentally it takes a bunch of pictures with it, or your hard drive crashes, something like that? Well, you know, you don't want to lose all those memories.
So what do you do when your computer crashes and all those memories you've been storing for years are wiped out? What do you do when you run out of hard drive space because those photos and videos have maxed it out? And what do you do about the cloud storage service that you use to have to continually pay to upgrade storage and you forget the password? This is what you do. Watch. So you just plug the PhotoStick into any USB port. You can see here. The next thing you do is come over to the green Go button and click. You can see it start to search. It's going to seek out and discover every single photo and video on this computer like a media bloodhound.
I found this on Facebook. It's called the PhotoStick. Check this out. It's supposed to, when you plug it in, seek out, find all your photos, all your videos, no matter where they are in your computer, and then actually save them to this stick so you have them all in one place forever. Okay, I am just going to plug this in right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this. What's neat is I didn't have to install any other software or anything, and here we go. Now the directions said all I had to do was hit this Go button. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. So it's already searched all these folders. It's found all these photos that quickly, and I haven't done anything. I thought I was going to have to tell it at least what folder to look in. Look at this. Almost 7,000 photos and videos. Duplicates, 416. I had no idea.
Oh my goodness. 2,137 pictures. Do you see this? And then 280 duplicates found.
I have so much stuff. It was driving me crazy. It was so disorganized. I love this. It downloads up to 60,000 photos, and it has this really cool software where you can download all your videos and all your photos with just one click.
With one click, it can organize everything. If there's duplicates, it will, help with the duplicates and skip over those.
And honestly, I was kind of skeptical about it, but I thought I'd give it a try. And I'm here to tell you it works even better than they said it did.